They're hitting on my liquid IV. It's gonna be our first game. We're going up to 11, ones and twos. We're just checking up because there's 3 of us. So I don't know who's gonna win. Trash. They have no stamina, no endurance. Whoever they're talking shit about my tree screen yet.
Ew. The fuck is he saying over there?
Drip check, drip check. Ooze alert. Ooze alert. Okay, let's check out Mr. Daniels.
Got the Kobe 10s on. I got some Stance socks.
Another dad fit. Here we go.
The Savers shorts, and I got a, a Spalding.
Spalding, dang, real hooper right here.
Oh yeah, real
Spalding.
hooper.
Got
Nice.
the Rudy Gobert.
ISO nice. Root check. Root check.
The Rudy Gobert, and damn, it has a hole.
I like these. I like these shorts. They're clean.
I got these on. These are just Don's Just Do It.
Dang, don't just do it. You know
And
what
then
size.
some Crazy 8s and the Rugrats for the Rugs.
Rats. And hey Arnold. There's Arnold.
Oh, and the Hey Arnold. The Rugrat and the Hey Arnold.
Oh, man, here we go. Kobe 10s, Stance, Adidas. Go.
Who?
Go.
Who?
Go.
Be the guy
Comment
that's-
down who got game 1. Who got game 1? Good. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, straight up.
This is going on the internet, so you know you gotta play hard. Wow. That's it.
For travel.
Way too open. Yeah. Oh. 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 High five. 8, 2, 2. Or 3, 3, 2.
Son.
Fuck out of here. Foul.
Hate him. 1.